Using an image as a reference underlay makes it easy to trace walls, add rooms, and ensures that every corner, angle, and feature is correct. Let's explore how this technique can help you bring floor plans to life with efficiency and accuracy. Open your project and navigate to the Studio tab. Within the Studio tab, click the Import button and select the option for Underlay Image. This will let you pick the image you would like to use from your computer. Make sure it is in a place that is easy to find, such as your desktop or a project folder. You can use JPEG, PNG, BMP, and GIF files. Once you find the image, select it and click Open. Once you open the image, you will need to set the scale. This is so the floor plan that you create in Studio will match the image imported onto the canvas. To set the scale, start by selecting 2 points on the image, typically the 2 ends of a wall. Click once on the image where you want the measurement to start. A red plus symbol will appear to mark this starting point. Then, move your cursor to the end point of the length you're measuring, and click again to set it. A prompt will appear asking for the known distance between the 2 points. Enter the measurements and click OK. After you close this window, the image will be scaled correctly and ready for you to trace using the Studio tools. If you want to hide the underlay image, click on the Level Properties button, View, and click on Imported Underlay. You can also just press Shift+U to hide it and bring it back. Once you are done with the underlay image, you can either hide it or, if you want it gone forever, click on the underlay image and press Delete on your keyboard. Or you can right-click the underlay image and delete it that way. That is how to use an underlay image to make creating your floor plan easier. Did you like this video and want to learn more? We offer a variety of training options. Just click the link in the description to find out more. Leave us a comment if there's anything you'd like to learn more about. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips each week.